Hey, Bram. Are you having lunch? What did you have for lunch? Do you want to tell the camera? Say, well, first I had some yogurt. And now I'm playing with some Cheerios. But mostly I only ate yogurt because I don't eat Cheerios. I just smash them and throw them on the floor. Like the other one. Isn't that right, Bram?
Okay.
Aren't you gonna actually eat that one? No. You should eat that, it's yummy. You love Cheerios.
Okay.
Or you're gonna bite it in half? No, maybe you will eat it. Oh! Good job! That's better. It's good to actually eat them, not just throw them on the floor. They're good to eat, too. Yummy! Your little feet are being cute. Did you know you have cute feet? Well, I guess we don't have to watch you play with Cheerios anymore. We can just let you eat them in peace. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.